Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pulse. In the last video, we have discussed about one of the interview question that you might get in the PySpark interviews for the intermediate level. Let us discuss the question number two. So suppose you are having this data frame and you have dot employee, df underscore employee, and following are the columns, employee ID as integer, employee name is string, salary as double, department is string, hire date as date, and we are having three tasks that we need to perform. First of all, we need to identify the null values in each of the column and list them, the list account. Then replace null values in the salary column with the mean salary of all the employees. Then we need to replace the null value in department columns with the default value of unknown. Okay, so this, we are having this data, this schema. This I have already written, and let us visualize this. If employees dot show, so we can see here we are having one null value in the salary, one null value in the department, and one null value in the date column. Okay, so our output should be 0 0 1 1 1. So that should be our output. Okay, for the first value, like to count the null values. Okay, so let us solve the first problem. Null values, null underscore counts. Here's null underscore counts equal to what name we have given for the employee. Now let us plan like how we will get the null values, like what approach we should follow. Like first of all, we need to get the count. So we need to take the count function, okay, and also we need to get the null values in all the columns. So we have to iterate over all the columns, okay. So let us use the unpacking operator in Python, and we will run a for loop in each the column. For C in df employee dot columns. So we are running a for loop in this column, and next what we need to do, we need to aggregate a count. Okay, so count bracket close bracket. We will we need to like check condition we need to give, right, when call C. C is the column name, right, for all the df employees. So that we are giving here. So when call C dot is null, dot is null. Okay, C. Okay, when call C will be null, it will be counting. Okay, it will just count and it will give the column name as C. Okay, and we will give as alias as dot alias as C, and we will give these as a name as column name. Okay, so let's see if it works. We are iterating over all the columns. Let's give some space here and let us run this. Let us visualize this also. Null counts are show as it will return a data frame. Yeah, we are getting correct output. In employee ID, we are having no null values. In employee name, we are having no null values. In salary, we are having one null value. In department, we are having one null value, and in hire date, we are having one null value. So exactly this is coming. Okay, so this is done. So whatever null values it is here, it is counting. Otherwise, it is not counting. Okay. Now let us go through the second question. What is the second question? Replace null values in the mean salary. Okay, the mean salary column. Mean underscore salary we want. So first of all, that with column expression we can use and we can replace this. So first of all, let us get the mean salary value. How to get this mean sal? Let's give us mean salary is equal to df employee dot. We need to select the mean. Okay, mean salary. Yeah, oh, I forgot to mention one thing actually. We need to import this all function. Okay, since I have run this from PySpark.sql functions, import call when mean, okay, and count. These are function we need to import. Okay, so we need to get the mean salary. Okay, select mean salary and we need to collect this. Collect. Okay. Let us do this in the other cell to visualize it more clearly. Let us run this. What we are getting mean salary. Let us try to print it also. Print mean salary. row average salary is equal to 5,500. So what we need to do, this is inside first second. Okay, so we need to extract the value out of it, 0 and 0. And then this will give 5,500.0. So we got the mean salary. Okay, now we need to replace the value. So tf dot employee dot with column. Okay. And column name will be salary dot when call salary dot is null, right? Dot is null. And what we need to put, mean salary. Otherwise, what will give, dot otherwise call salary. This should work. Okay. Uh, mean salary. I think we are getting some error here. Let me check. With column salary, when call salary dot is null. Okay. Or mean salary. Otherwise, SALARY. Just give me a second. Let me check what error I'm getting. So that was the very silly mistake that we are making. This is actually the correct statement that we are getting, but I'm not assigned to this TF, right? Therefore, like it is not getting updated, and we are getting the wrong result. You see, now we are getting the right result, 5,500. Okay, let us run this again so that we can see again. Okay, now again this is updated as. Let us run this alone. Okay, again this is updated as null. Okay, now since we updated this, now this will give the right result, and we will get 500. Now there can be another way and a very easy way actually, okay, to get this null values as filled. Let us run this data frame again. Create this as null value. You can see it is again null. Now what we can do, we can use this tf.employee equal to tf.employee dot na dot fill. Okay. And what we need to fill, mean salary, and what it will be, the subset we need to provide, right? Here subset operator, subset is equal to salary. For that, let us first check if this is null. Okay, it is null. Now let us run this and let us see this again. It is updated with 5,500. So in this way also we can fill either this way or either this way. Okay, this will be easy way. This I have not shown earlier because this is very easy method. We need to understand this when function, is null function, mean salary. So everything we need to understand. So that's why I prefer the tough way first. Now let us solve the third question. What we need to do? We need to fill default value in a department column. So we have already seen the otherwise method. Now let us go with the easy method only. And subset will be department, and mean salary will become unknown. Okay. Let us print this. Department unknown, it is coming. Earlier it was coming as null. So these were the three questions that we were getting. Let me put this in one cell so that we can just go through once again. And take the snip also if you want. So for the null count, so we first loop through the all the columns, then we do this unpacking operator. What it will do, it will unpack all the columns, then it will do the count of the column where it is null, check all the values, and then it will return as the same column. Okay, and we are realizing it the column name only. Okay, then null counts the show, it will show data frame with the null counts. This is the output. Then for the mean, we first took the mean df.employee.select mean salary dot collect 00. Then we check this with column and also with any dot fill method. Then for a tag we check with any dot fill method and directly we solve this question. So I hope you like this problem, and do follow me for this interview question series, and please let me know if you have any doubt or anything. You can ping in your comment, and you can ping in my LinkedIn, or you can directly mail me. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.